Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I'm here with another packing video for you today. But today I'm actually packing for a real vacation that I'm actually going on. Yes, that's right. I usually do packing videos every Wednesday for you guys that you ask for help with. But today it's my turn. My friend Christina and I are going on a 2.5-week trip to Europe, and it is going to be fall weather. In fact, I have to pack for weather ranging from 40 degrees to 70 degrees, and that's kind of a big range when it comes to clothing. So I'm really excited to show you guys everything that I am packing, but honestly, the biggest challenge is going to be packing my friend Christina because she is going with me. If you guys didn't see my latest packing intervention video, that is the girl I am traveling with, and she is such an overpacker. It was a very dramatic comedy, and we only had to pack tropical clothes for 7 days. Now we're going to have to pack fall clothes for 2.5 weeks. So that video will be coming soon because I'm going to pack her here in a few days and I will put it out next week. So we will be headed to Italy, San Marino, and Croatia with a couple of day trips to Bosnia and Herzegovina, as well as Montenegro. And then we have a quick little stop in Zurich along the way for 24 hours before we fly home. So today I'm going to show you every single thing that I am packing in my carry-on and how I pack it. I'm not going to be showing you a personal item in this video because I want to do a video called What's in My Personal Item as I'm traveling. I am going to be packing everything in my Haze earth tone luggage, and then I'm going to pack Christina in the Haze Airlight, and of course using the Haze pastel packing cubes as well. As for the personal item, I'm not sure yet because I just got a whole bunch of new personal items and I really just don't know which one to choose. All right, so first I'm going to show you the fashion and accessories and of course give you my capsule wardrobe fashion show. Then we're going to put everything into a packing cube and put it into the carry-on. And yes, I will be talking about shoes and outerwear and everything else. Let's get started. But hey, if you're not subscribed, please do so by clicking that button down below. I travel often and pack well and want to help you guys do the same. And Instagram is going to be where I am showing a lot more of my actual travel. So be sure to follow us on there as well. All right, let's get packing. All right, guys, so listen up. I am bringing 7 tops, 5 bottoms, and 2 dresses, which means that is 37 outfits for only about 17 days. Which means I have plenty of options. This is the top I'm going to be wearing on the plane with this pair of jeans. Yes, they are super comfortable to travel in, and this cardigan. So this is top number 1 of 7. Top number 2, top number 3, top number 4, top number 5, top number 6, and top number 7. 2 of them are long sleeve, the rest of them are short sleeve, and we'll go with that cardigan. So the jeans are bottom number 1. We also have this skirt, this skirt, this skirt, and we have this skirt. I always love my patterns to be on the bottom because I personally love solid tops better. You guys can make your capsule wardrobe however you want to. As long as everything matches, you're good to go. If you need help creating your capsule wardrobe, I have a video for that explaining it in depth, and I'll link it in the description down below. I'm not done yet though, because I also have 2 dresses. I love skirts and dresses, you guys. If you don't like them, that's fine. Like I said, make your own capsule wardrobe, but I love dresses and skirts. I'm literally only bringing 1 pair of pants. Yeah, that'll be okay. And guess what? All of that, minus what we're wearing on the plane, is gonna fit in this medium-sized packing cube, only taking up 1/4 of our suitcase. All right, let's go over some of the accessories that of course are going to fit into the capsule wardrobe as well. Okay, so you guys know that I often pick my capsule wardrobe based off of a color scheme or a specific pattern. Now I still did that today, But let me tell you, when I saw this beautiful handbag that I'm about to show you, I changed my whole capsule wardrobe just for this bag. It's in here and it's such a fun color. It is lime green, baby. I can just picture myself in Italy holding this bag with some sunglasses and just eating pistachio gelato. And it's all gonna match. I literally squealed when I got this box in the mail. And I got another bag too, but we'll show you guys that in another video. This bag is from Teddy Blake. If you guys don't know about Teddy Blake, it's time. These are gorgeous, luxurious leather bags straight from Italy. So I guess I'm taking her back to her home country. What a journey you've been on. Now, Teddy Blake releases new collections every month. And this is the Dana Dollarino 11-inch bag in apple green. Of course, there were classics like black and dark red and beige and light cream, but can you blame me for wanting to stand out a little bit? I wish you guys could literally feel this from your screen. It is handcrafted. It smells like leather. Oh, I just adore it. And you guys, I really love the unique shape of the bag. And there's a ton of space and a little pocket. Without a doubt, you guys, this is honestly the nicest bag I've ever owned. And I have a lot of pieces from really high-end designers. It's the same quality for a lower price point. Some of those designer bags are just as expensive as a trip to Bora Bora for two, but this is about as much as a domestic flight, but still amazing quality. Let alone the fact that when you get a luxury item, it's going to last a lifetime and it's going to be durable. I care about durability whether it comes to luggage, backpacks, or handbags. If you're interested in getting this bag or anything else from their ever-growing collections, of course I put a link in the description. All right, it's time to show you everything else that I'm bringing on this trip. And you'll see this baby again in the fashion show and of course on my vacation. I have this super cute hat from Brixton, this winter hat for chillier days, these Vessi Soho sneakers, a really classic white tennis shoe, but waterproof. These are the boots I am going to be bringing from Steve Madden. They just came out. They are suede and I love this little buckle right here. And then I am packing this sash bag. And this is gonna kind of be my crossbody when I really feel like I need a crossbody. And I love that it's flat and it just has so many little hidden pockets. Now, one more thing that I want to talk to you guys about is my outerwear. Like I said, there's going to be some very, very warm days, and then there's going to be some days that are a little bit cold, especially if it starts to rain, which leads me to my outerwear. Now, full disclosure, I bought 2 raincoats and I haven't decided which one I want yet. So maybe I'll show you both and you guys can pick. You can't really pick because this video is going out while I'm already on my trip. So I guess you'll find out which one I end up packing when you see all my stories on Instagram. So the first one that I bought is a Columbia jacket. Obviously, Columbia is a very well-known brand that we know is going to be great in the rain. It has a hood, it has a chic little belt so that I can look a little bit cute in my rain gear, and it's blue. And then this is one that is about half the price of the Columbia, and it does come with this little packable pouch, which is great. This one did have really great reviews. It has a hood, it is cinched, and it's gonna keep you dry. So I don't know which one to pick. I think it's time for the fashion show. So now we're gonna start folding and rolling clothes. Guys, since I'm bringing 3 skirts and they're all about the same length, I am actually going to roll all 3 of them together. It will go in the cube like so. And I'm actually going to do the same thing with these 2 dresses. We're gonna put that in there like so. Then we have the roll of skirts. Now this skirt isn't long like these ones, so I went ahead and just folded it. And then I did fold these little heavier sweaters as well. And then now you can see that we have really formed this packing cube, filling all 4 corners. Then we're going to just fill in the top with our shirts. And the packing cube is full. I really do love these packing cubes from Hayes, you guys, because they are so much more lightweight than any other packing cube I've ever used. All right, so let's play some packing Tetris, you guys. Let's take that medium-sized packing cube with the whole capsule wardrobe and we will put it there. Then we're going to do our tripped travel gear toiletry bag. Makeup, we've got Band-Aids and baby wipes, Q-tips, jewelry, a comb, contacts, everything I need, that's gonna go there. 2 pairs of sunglasses, I'm gonna put that right there. We will do this compression. And I still definitely have some space that I can compress. And of course, this bag is expandable. We're going to move on to this side and I'm going to do something a little bit different. I don't always utilize these zippered compartments, but this time I'm going to. In this compartment, I'm going to put 8 pairs of underwear, and in this compartment, I am going to put my pajamas. If you're asking about bras, I always just wear 1 merino wool bra and it travels on my body. Now we've got all of this space. We are going to start with the Vessi Soho shoes. I have my socks in there, and I also threw in a little sneaker ball because when I have to pack and repack after I've been wearing these, I just want my shoes to stay fresh. Then I have my little crossbody sash bag that I'm going to try out. I also have that beautiful lime green purse that I'm going to bring with me. We're gonna put that right there. Then I have my flat iron so I can curl or wave my hair. And between Christina and I, we're only going to bring 1 and we are going to share. To be perfectly honest, she's going to make me do her hair anyway. And then I have my 2 hats, the little winter one for a cold day and my cute little one from Brixton, and we will put that in there. There's definitely a lot of little space in here for when I buy things, so it's going to be very interesting at the end of 2.5 weeks how I might end up repacking this bag. All right, guys, so our carry-on is packed and I am so excited to go on our trip. And of course, we're going to be doing a personal item as well, but I'm going to be filming a what's in my personal item video. So stay tuned for that and you can see which bag I'm bringing and what's in it for this 2.5 week trip to Europe. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in Europe. Bye.